Why does KFC taste so good? Here's the secret behind the world's most famous fried chicken. What if I told you that one of the world's biggest food secrets has been hidden for over 80 years? Every single day, millions of people eat KFC, but almost nobody knows the exact recipe that made it one of the most famous fast food brands on earth. So, why does KFC taste so different? Let's uncover the secret. The story begins with one man, Harland Sanders. Born in 1890, Sanders had a difficult childhood and worked many different jobs throughout his life. He was a farmer, a streetcar conductor, a railroad worker, and even an insurance salesman. But everything changed when he opened a small roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. Travelers loved his fried chicken, and word quickly spread. Without realizing it, Sanders had just taken the first step toward building one of the world's biggest restaurant chains. Success didn't happen overnight. Colonel Sanders spent nearly 9 years perfecting his fried chicken recipe. Eventually, he created the legendary blend known as 11 herbs and spices. Even today, the exact recipe remains one of the world's most closely guarded business secrets. According to KFC, the original recipe is protected inside a secure vault, and only a very small number of people know the complete formula. That's one reason why no competitor has ever perfectly copied the original KFC flavor. Most people think the secret is only in the spices, but there's another important reason. KFC uses a pressure fryer instead of a normal deep fryer. This special cooking method seals moisture inside the chicken while creating the crispy golden coating everyone loves. The result is simple: crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the same signature taste in restaurants around the world. As KFC became more popular, it expanded far beyond the United States. Today, the company operates more than 30,000 restaurants in over 150 countries. The name was also shortened from Kentucky Fried Chicken to simply KFC, making it easier for people everywhere to recognize the brand. What started as one small restaurant became a global fast food empire. Have you ever looked closely at the KFC logo? The smiling man isn't a fictional character. He's the real Colonel Harland Sanders. His white suit, black string tie, and friendly smile have become one of the most recognizable brand images in the world. Even decades after his death, his legacy continues with every bucket of KFC sold. So, is the real secret behind KFC just the famous 11 herbs and spices? Maybe. Or maybe the real secret is years of experimentation, smart business decisions, and a cooking method that changed fast food forever. One simple recipe built a billion-dollar global brand. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden story behind KFC, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Yverse, and turn on notifications. Because next time, we'll uncover another mystery behind the world's biggest brands.